Welcome back to Mrs. B Lux, L-I-F-E. I am Sarita, and we have an unboxing. I don't know if we're going to call it an unboxing because it's an unboxing, but it's not an unboxing. It's like a re-unboxing or a rewind. I don't know. Now I'm confused. Okay, well, if this is your first time here, I'm Sarita, and shopping is addicted to me. We figured that out in 2025. It's not me, it's the shopping. I'm not addicted to it, it's addicted to me. And on top of that, handbags, they're addicted to me too. Yep, I said it. Argue with someone else, but not with me, because that's that. Those two are addicted to me, and here I am. Okay, so you might see Coach, you might see Louis Vuitton, you might see Gucci, you may see Chanel. I don't know what you might see. You might see anything when it comes to me buying it and shopping and sharing with y'all, okay? So, welcome to Mrs. B Lux, L-I-F-E. We're going to open a box that I've opened before, but now we're opening it again. And it's finally gonna pull my heartstrings, because it is what it should have been the first time. Okay? Because in 2026, we're not settling. In 2026, we're being very intentional. In 2026, we're not just letting things get by. Okay? Okay? That's what we're not doing. So let's unbox. Y'all already saw this, but you didn't see this one, but I guess you saw the sister version, but we're going to open this one, then I'll tell you why. So, let's see. This is how the box came. I did take the piece of tape they had on here off, and my address and everything. Y'all see that? Y'all already know that Imperial Saffron, one of my favorite colors. What do we have? Yes, Louis Vuitton. Okay. Oh, come on. Oh, okay. Y'all know every time I gotta figure out how we're gonna do this without it just going everywhere. Okay. Here's my receipt. Okay. Let me move the box, y'all, because Lord, we'll put that over here. That's why I say, let me sit over there on the couch to open this. So, y'all, we have a snowstorm approaching. It's supposed to be in the morning in the 20s. This part of Texas, we usually don't have this, so outside doesn't know what's going on, and we don't know what's going on either, because, yeah, so what was it, 2021, we had something similar to this, and the power went out. The power was out for over 5 days in the freezing cold. We're just praying that doesn't happen this time. So tomorrow is the day we're supposed to be expecting the worst of the worst, so prayerfully all will be well. Prayerfully no one loses their life, from the weather, y'all. But let's get back to this. In here, because I know y'all like, wait a minute, what is that? It's another bag. But some of y'all are gonna understand, and I know a couple in particular. Y'all hate this. I hate this. This new gadget. Fighting for my life. That's how it is. Oh my goodness. Okay. Y'all see it? Y'all see it peeping? Okay. Let me take it out of the box, and then we're gonna talk about it, okay? Let me put all that goodness over there. Okay. So, y'all can see it peeping. If you remember, if you watched my video, I don't know how many back, but a couple back, I unboxed a bag, brand new to the Louis Vuitton collection, came out on January 2nd, 2026. I was so excited to get it. But the location that I purchased from, which is Seattle, Washington, they only had made in US bags. That is, I know, look, to each their own, but that is my thing. If it's not made in France or Spain, I really don't want it. I would prefer France over everything, but if I can get made in France or made in Spain, I'm okay. I'm okay. I don't want to just say Louis Vuitton Paris. No. Now, if that's one of the bags, I think like the Speedy Trunk bag has that on it, that's different. Because in the inside, it's going to say either France or Spain or, you know, whatever. But I didn't want that. So I reached out to a client advisor at another store. Well, Nordstrom. It was a Nordstrom's at another location because I could only remember, I could only exchange it at a Nordstrom because that's the new policy. If you purchase Louis Vuitton at a Nordstrom Louis Vuitton, you can only return or exchange at a Nordstrom Louis Vuitton. That's that. Can't exchange it at the boutique that's close to you. No, you have to exchange it only at Nordstrom. So end up finding the most amazing client advisor, okay? Because amazing. That's what she is, amazing. Because I also have another hard to get item will be here soon. So I'm excited about that. In the mission of getting this, I sent the other bag over to them. The same day they got it, they exchanged it. And this is the beauty that they sent me. So let me open it because I'm happy now. I'm a happy camper, okay? Let me look at it. Hey. Y'all, that red interior, y'all. O to the M to the G. Yes. O to the M to the G. Okay, so this is the lineup MM. That is it right there. So if you are looking to get this one, let me show y'all. Do y'all see that? Made in Spain. Yes. Yes, we're happy now. We are happy. I should not be giddy like a child in the daggone candy shop. What? O-M to the G. O-M to the G. So, yeah. Made in Spain. O-M to the G. Yeah. Y'all know I gotta still look it over. Make sure we don't have no issues. O-M to the G. Yes. Okay, so now I have a made in Spain. I had to share it with you guys. Just an update. Just an update. So OMG. Yeah, so oh, goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. I don't know. It's just me. Excuse me. It's just me. And that's okay. That's okay because it's my money. And I'll cry if I want to. Well, I'll not just be compliant with, oh, okay, well, that's all you have. I'll just take it. No. So now I am happy. Yay. OMG. Because I want to start wearing it. Well, not with the weather that we have going on outside because I don't need raindrops on here. But it is so pretty. I cannot wait till it start patina. Oh my goodness. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. It's prettier now. It is. And I can put it in the case now. O-M to the G. Oh goodness. Y'all remember my favorite part of this bag. The red interior. The red interior. interior. Yes. Yes. That red interior is just, it's everything. Oh, I'm over the moon, y'all. I'm over the moon. I'm over the moon. So I have to see what charm I want to put on here. Because I'm thinking I'll put, yeah. The charm that I really like is the new script Louis Vuitton charm. But I just don't see that working on here. I don't know. I don't see that working on here. I might have to get one of the mini charms. I don't know. I don't know. It's not a rush to get it right now, but I do want to get a charm to put on here. It's a mini charm. I'll put the picture here. I thought that one was cute. I do have a bandeau that I ordered, and it will be in hopefully before my travels. I'll be able to share it with y'all. But I ordered that one because this is the year of the horse, and it has a little red on it, so it'll also go with the interior. So I'm excited about that, and it's very limited. So excuse me. So I was able to, when they were doing the process of exchanging this one, she was trying to go ahead and place my order for the bandeau. And so once we were able to get it, she told me it sold out like literally a couple minutes after we placed the order. So yes, now I'm just waiting on it to arrive. But I don't know, because I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just tie that on here for now. And I don't know what I want to do. I don't know what I want to do in regards to putting a charm on here. I want to put a charm on here, but I don't know which one. So I'll figure it out. Because I was thinking about having some hook from here to there. I need to go lay down. Because I done yawned about 4 times already. But here she is again in all her beauty. And look. Yeah. It is just, the slouch is going to be so good on here. Because it's already slouching a little bit. But it is going to be, it's going to be so good. And the patina is going to just be right in the right spots. Right in the right spots. So, she's home. Oh, gosh. Okay. So, that's all I had to show y'all. I'm praying that when we wake up in the morning, God say the same, we wake up, the power is on. Because, oh my goodness. But that's all. I'm trying to make sure that's all I had to show y'all. Look, I'm looking. Because I know me, I done got off of here and then forgot something. But no. That's it. That's all. Well, thank you guys for watching. If a storm is approaching your area, please be careful. Say your prayers and be safe. Be safe. So that's all we're doing. I cooked earlier, and we're just praying that it doesn't do anything bad. No damage to anyone. No harm or damage to anyone. So that's all I wanted to show y'all was this beauty. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.